ជំរាបសួរតោះរៀនខ្មែរជាមួយនុត Hello, let's study Khmer with Nut. So, long time no see. I taught you about the final consonant, right? Almost 1 year, maybe. រៀនអំពីចេញជាអ្នកប្រកបជិត1 ឆ្នាំហើយដែលខ្ញុំអត់បានបន្តមេរៀនមួយនេះឥឡូវខ្ញុំចាប់តាមបន្តវិញហើយ Almost 1 year I didn't continue to teach it, so now I continue again. So last time ago, yes, 1 year ago, about a final consonant is the consonant that appears at the very end of the syllable. For example, letter consonant ko in the word tauk, tauk. So tho out tauk ko tauk. So the letter ko will be a final consonant. It's the last one. So yeah, maybe you can go to review the old video. You can see example of the letter ko have a lot. I mean like ko 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 also the final consonant also. But when we think about the alphabet, normally ko alphabet sorry for ko, for letter ko we say ko k like that, and ko we say k, go we say k, ko k, right? And ko is the group A and ko is group B. When we use with another vowel, the sound is changed, right? But when they are be a final consonant, it's only K. Yes, example like this word, tuk. We call TOUK, tuk. And this is muk, MOUK. Yeah, even this call, but I mean when it become a final consonant, it's only K alphabet. This also only K. So not only this, so like this I teach at the EP1 and Ngo and G, EP2 and Cho is AP3. It means CH. And Nyo, I will teach you in EP4 and 8, Nyo. So let's go for the yes, you can see Ngo, I teach already, I touch already. Jo, yes, already too. So now will be EP4 is Nyo. Yes, Nyo and H. So how you pronounce this word? You remember the letter consonant, what the consonant? Jaw, right? Jaw consonant, jaw. And then what's a, right? Vowel a, cha, cha. And then nyo is the final consonant, so an H. So chang, right? And then we put the 10. This one mark is make the sound shorter. So when the sound shorter, not chang anymore, become chang. It make the sound shorter, so we pronounce chang, okay, chang, like that. We combine the consonant together and pronounce like this. Okay, chang. Next, this also, you see, letter jaw the same, jaw A, J, nhớ, chang. Then đò. So we just change jaw, this become đò. Đò is letter D, right? Đò A, D, nhớ, đành. Very easy, right? if you remember the consonant and vowel clearly. Then ting letter to thì ý tị nhớ tình okay tình. Next, how we pronounce this? Mo, sorry, mo. So no vowel is in case no vowel we make like that mo, and then k, the final consonant k, co, một. So we pronounce một, and then vô, vô ý vị, nhớ vịnh, một vịnh. We pronounce like that. Next, what the consonant? Consonant po. Po is mean letter p. Po e, pe, nhớ, bình. This. Cho again, right? Cho. What the consonant? Right? This so we call chom. And then no is letter no n. No e, ne, nhớ, nành, chom nành. Yes, just you have to remember the consonant vowel and consonant food. This how you pronounce letter saw, consonant saw, right? And this consonant saw and this is or a row like a row food. So letter R. That and this is don't have any vowel, so become straw. And this law. This consonant is consonant law. L, lo á, là, nhớ, làng. And then we have the 10. So we put more shorter. So become straw, làng. Yeah, straw, làng. How? It's easy, right? Okay, so now let's see the meaning of that verb. Chang, it means loss. Chang, live or pay, have two meaning. Đánh, chase. Tính, buy. Một vĩnh, come back. Một is mean come. Vĩnh is something back. Vĩnh, full. Chom nánh, get benefit. Chom nánh.ស្រឡាញ់ love. ស្រឡាញ់ okay, so let's see the example for the sentence. This chanh, right? Chanh. So I make some example for you. First one, can you read that sentence? ខ្ញុំតែងតែប្រកួតចាញ់គេខ្ញុំតែងតែប្រកួតចាញ់គេខ្ញុំ I តែងតែ always ប្រកួត competition ចាញ់ lose គេ someone others. So that phrase mean I always lose competition. Okay, second two, can you read it? មុនគាត់ចេញក្រៅគាត់ចេញលុយហើយមុនគាត់ចេញក្រៅគាត់ចេញលុយហើយមុន before គាត់ she or he ចេញ it mean leave ក្រៅ it mean outside leave outside ចេញក្រៅគាត់ she or he ចេញ payment pay លុយ money ហើយ already why I can understand which one is outside which one is live and which one is pay because the sentence near the verb ក្រៅ is mean outside right so we cannot pay outside we will be live outside also លុយ it mean money so we cannot say live money we will say pay money so this change is mean pay and this change is mean live មុនគាត់ចេញក្រៅគាត់ចេញលុយហើយ before he leave he already paid the money yeah letter 3 sentence 3 ទី3 can you read it ឆ្កែកំពុងដេញខាំកណ្ដុរខាំ oh ខាំ it's ខាំឆ្កែ it mean dog and កំពុង it mean ing it mean doing something yes ដេញ chase right so កំពុងដេញ chasing កំពុងដេញ it mean chasing and what comes it mean what in English comes it mean by B-I-T-E by កណ្ដុរ mouse so ឆ្កែកំពុងដេញខាំកណ្ដុរ the dog is chasing to bite the mouse okay number 4 you can read it ទិញចូល$2លក់ចេញវិញ$10ចំណេញច្រើនណាស់ទិញចូល$2លក់ចេញវិញ$10ចំណេញច្រើនណាស់ទិញ it mean buy ចូល in so ទិញចូល it mean purchase $2 $2លក់ចេញលក់ it mean sell ចេញ leave sell out it mean sell out when is something back so sell out still translate sell out $10 $10 so purchase $2 and sell back it mean sell outside $10ចំណេញច្រើនណាស់ចំណេញ get benefit ច្រើនណាស់ a lot ច្រើន a lot ណាស់ very very a lot so it means huge I got a very very benefit yeah ចំណេញច្រើនណាស់number 5 sentence 5បើទៅហើយកុំមកវិញឲ្យសោះបើទៅហើយកុំមកវិញឲ្យសោះបើ if ទៅ go ហើយ already កុំ don't មក come វិញ back come back មកវិញឲ្យសោះ do not so if you go if you gone if you leave if you gone please do not come back okay number 6 ភ្ញៀវច្រើនណាស់កន្លែងអង្គុយពេញអស់ហើយភ្ញៀវច្រើនណាស់កន្លែងអង្គុយពេញអស់ហើយភ្ញៀវ guest customer ច្រើនណាស់ already you know right ច្រើនណាស់ is very a lot so customer a lot កន្លែងអង្គុយកន្លែង is mean place អង្គុយ sit so place it mean the seat the seat ពេញអស់ហើយពេញ full អស់ហើយ already full yeah a lot of guests so the seat already full number 7ឪពុកម្ដាយណាក៏ស្រឡាញ់កូនដែរឪពុកម្ដាយណាក៏ស្រឡាញ់កូនដែរឪពុក it mean father ម្ដាយ mother ណា every ក៏ដែរ also ស្រឡាញ់ love កូន children ឪពុកម្ដាយណាក៏ស្រឡាញ់កូនដែរ every parents love children also love children and eight is opposite from the overall sentence like កូនណាក៏ស្រឡាញ់ឪពុកម្ដាយណាឪពុកម្ដាយដែរកូនណាក៏ស្រឡាញ់ឪពុកម្ដាយដែរ every children also love parents yeah I think so I hope so yeah so that's all for EP4 so I hope you understand what is the final consonant so I try to continue that video and I hope you continue to learn Khmer. Please think it's easy, not difficult. Just have to remember the consonant vowel so you can read and write Khmer fluently. អរគុណច្រើនជំរាបលា Bye bye